Oh my gosh, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody with my friend, throwing alley oop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gotti, and we back with part 2 on the mini bike, man. Y'all see where we at, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we finna go see what these 212s hitting like, man. Let's get it, bro. These is fucking generators, bro.
They right here somewhere.
Hell no, that's not it. Discount.
They might be over there on that wall.
Like the boy said, discount, y'all. What's back there? Yeah, they got some Predator something right here. But I don't know if they got this. Yeah, they probably open. Hold up, let me see it all day. I'm finna put this on the mini bike right here. This is the one we want. No, I'm gonna use this one. No, this one. Alright. That is the mini bike, man. It's not a 212 though. This one. This that 212 motherfucker. Hey.
Bet we can come get it.
Trying to get that mini bike in the background. Yeah, told y'all we get some mini bikes, man.
Bet.
This the 2. Oh yeah, this that ghost shit. We're gonna do a build with this too, y'all. You got that joint? Yeah, boy, got the mini bike. Hey, this the ghost joint, y'all. We're not getting that though, but hey, y'all might see this on one of the bros builds or something. But this, I really think we're gonna get this shit, bro. For real, for real. All right, y'all. So we getting this joint, man. Let's get it.
I'm trying to get out.
Cause that was like a scam, bro. You said, so I already got 90 days to bring this motherfucker back, but you want me to get another warranty. 90 days, bro. 90 days, goddamn. If the bitch fuck up, that mean I did it. If it's running that. And then I can still come back and get another one 90 days, bro. Shit. What? I don't think that she can fit.
Or just do this week.
Predator 212 type shit, man. Told y'all we was gonna get one. Alright now. 212 shit, man. We finna get right back with y'all. Man, we finna pop this pressure open, man. Hold up. I need a box. You ain't got no pocket knife, nothing?
He's a kid, yeah. That's one thing I don't really carry. You're not really not going to need to. I don't know. I always get to have it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get some fucking oil. Oh yeah, forgot about that. See that new block, that big block? Yeah. That big block, man. Yeah, so we don't need. We basically hope that our clutch that we got go on here. And we're gonna have to line that shit up to where the chain's straight and before we drill holes. And as y'all can see, man, y'all see, new addition to the pack, man. Yeah, my boy behind the camera, this his joint, man. Got the Coleman joint. He got the 212 on here, just like we going on that one. Fit me. Y'all think that shit gonna fit, man? Look how small my motor is, bro. Compared to that. I think it's gonna fit, though.
He got a little bit of knowledge. I know if you do that right there, you got a little bit of knowledge. Why he was smart sit there and spin that bitch? What's up? Let me see. Yeah,
I don't think I do either. How that shit was?
it's gonna be that rubber, then black there.
Like that?
Yeah.
Gotta put the bolts back how they supposed to go, man. This one might be tighter. Get that bitch on there, ain't it? This is the little chain. And we not, you know what I'm saying, we ain't trashing this engine, but we just need something a little bigger. We might put this on another little project eventually. Mike can build this little motherfucker for real. Pretty sure some upgrades you can do.
Use this bitch for a test run.
Yeah, fact. We'll get us a nice frame one day. We ain't got the Predator put up in there. We just put this shit in there just to ride. Carry this shit in the trunk unless we blow an engine one day.
Oh, God.
We ain't done riding. Throw this little motherfucker on there. Cause the only thing wrong with this is the carburetor. We had to go brand new 212 on them though, y'all.
You have to disconnect these joints.
I think them go to the kill switch. Basically how they had that joint. But I ain't tripping. If we gotta unhook them, it'll be the same way as bros.
Where's your throttle?
Right here.
Let's go small one here.
Hold on. This is throttle right here, I think.
That one?
Where that little 10 go?
There you go. Yeah, that's 12.
11.
Hey, look, 10,
Damn, this shit not no 10 game.
That's not like staying.
It's bigger. Oh, that's small too. That's like a 6. Try one of these. Not too big. That might still be too big.
Too big. So, yeah, it's about like a 6.
That was too big too.
Yeah. Might be like a 8 or 7.
Maybe a little small. Seven,
8.
8, yeah, I don't see ain't no 8. That's what it was. See anything but an 8 again.
Where he parked at though?
In front of this crib.
In front of that crib?
You're like in the middle.
Let me see that word again, man.
Which one?
Them needle nut. Trying like that.
And back. That shit spray both times.
Damn. What license plate?
Is your jump?
This all Vaughn shit.
How much is that?
He got that bitch for like 200.
It's not bad.
For them white boys he
Hey,
did.
Ryan?
Yeah, he just need the pull joint, but we're gonna try to see if mine are going there. If not, we just gonna use my string.
No. We got the headlight and everything.
Oh god! Then they put a new LED joint up there. I said this shit big as
one of
hell.
these on Facebook.
Shit, they still.
Everybody's the same word.
Hit my shit white like my car.
Yeah, that's what I told him.
That's too big.
Yeah. Fuck it.
It's sitting there like it's like, oh, you got it off.
Broke it.
Yeah, fuck it.
All right, man. Yeah, hell yeah. Man, hold up, bro. No, we G's. And that right there, y'all, is how you take out an engine on a mini bike, bro. This shit small as hell. Yeah, throw this shit at me.
Definitely compared to this.
Back, nigga. Oh, yeah. Hey, we needed that shit to come off anyway, gang. That shit not gonna fit.
Let's just see the little badass kids in the hood rolling down the hill. They got a new bike.
That should fit.
No, it won't either.
Oh, you was talking about that part.
Fucking problem, bro.
Fuck.
So that one not a 3/4. They say I'm gonna need a 3/4 clutch. We was hoping. So we gonna probably have to just find one somewhere else, bro. But I'm still gonna mount that bitch. Well, I still probably can't do that. Still fucking good.
Boy, you had a throttle back. Put that bitch in there and see how you can sit with you.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see if this bitch gonna fit.
You got a backup thing for the
Bro, shit about to be out.
But you feel me, bro? This shit might stand up.
That shit the
It
same
is
size as the
gonna
bike.
I'm gonna make this bitch stand.
The motor is the weight. If you weigh them bitches separate, they probably about the same.
See, that's when I'm gonna put the chain on there. That's what's gonna make me line it up. They say the chain gotta be straight. You feel me? I ain't gonna know how far to put it on there. You feel me? Or what up or down, or back until I get that thing to put the chain on there. You feel me? That bitch gonna be. I don't know what.
Hey, I don't even know what was said them shit.
Walmart.
I'm about to say Rural King, Harbor Freight.
I tried. Where I tried?
Harbor
I
Freight.
tried Harbor Freight. Somebody did send me Rural King and I ain't went.
They got a bunch of hardware shit. They probably got it.
And Walmart, you said Walmart got it.
Yeah, they said Walmart. Well, I
Yeah.
see them online, but I don't know if they in store.
If I say you might be able to get next day shipping or
See,
something.
this little shit is for them little clips, but this shit, I can just put them shit together. You feel me?
Trunk that bitch down.
Okay. For real, bro.
They need something to take on your ass, nigga. Stick it to the motor. So you put your gas tank. Right here? Y'all need that shit, bro. Y'all gotta get one. No bullshit. I already been looking. I think I'm trying my bike to a little small ass speaker or something. I had that bitch in the way. I said the same shit. Bro, nigga. Oh, you cut a little hole like this. Cut a little hole in the side, bro. Put some little speakers on this shit. Bro, I said I'm about to have a little goddamn. You eating that motherfucker. Oh, God. Let me think. I'm about to have a little phone.
Shit right there with my GPS. Nigga, I'm hitting the street, nigga.
Shit, all you missing was goddamn signal lights and tail lights.
Yeah,
Man.
no
You might think that
bullshit.
nigga go on the street with that.
Down there, yeah. Y'all about to try to crank this.
You might get lucky. You might get lucky. That's not gonna
I
fit.
need a new seat though. This shit ain't it.
Yeah, that motherfucker done had it.
Need an 8.
You gonna
That's
get a new
what
seat?
we
or
ain't
you
have
gonna
right
get
here.
that one?
How could I do that joint? I need to get some fabric, ain't it?
Yeah,
With that glue shit for the headliner.
yeah.
Probably
Clean that
Take this
motherfucker up
off.
real good. Probably peel the leather off and then
Yeah, fat.
put this in there. Yep.
I'm gonna have wood.
He ain't about to have no back knee.
So phones, I want to be the first nigga to get a ticket or something.
Bro, we gonna get chased. As soon as they see us more than 3 deep, they on our ass.
You gonna leave this bitch camera?
I think you said
Yeah, we good, Chase.
Shit, I was thinking about getting the same shit leaving in camera.
That's a small ratchet after.
Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, we didn't finish the video, but I'm gonna fill y'all in, you feel me, before we end the video. So basically, took the engine out, all that, you know what I'm saying? So on part 3, we're gonna be installing it, you get what I'm saying? We got some big things on the way for this build, man, you feel me? So we just waiting on a couple of things. We gonna, you know what I'm saying? I can't tell y'all everything right now. Y'all gotta wait for these videos to drop, bro. But anyway, man, y'all know what to do, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Part 3 on the way, man. Part 2 right here. Y'all make sure y'all, man, go ahead and like this joint, man.